currently pursuing final BBA in KSS College, Subrahmanya. Now our team made the model of Chandrayaan 3 vision of ISRO. Now we give the brief introduction of ISRO by Ashwin.
Good morning to all. I am Ashwin KS from first year BBA in this institution. As you know, India is a developing country. So many countries have tried to get to moon, but they have not succeeded. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization, and it is also the world's largest space agency. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the first chairman of the ISRO, and he launched the satellite called Aryabhatta in 1975. And S. Somarth was the 11th chairman of the ISRO on 12th January 2022. SLV-3 had a successful flight in 1978, and it was located at Tumba near Thiruvananthapuram at the southern tip of the country. Thank you. Next part will be continued by Ranjit.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Myself, Ranjita, first year BBA in this institute. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, was founded in the year 1969. Vikram Lander identified role and importance in space technology to nation development. And ISRO provided the nation space and the services and developed to the technology that ISRO achievements of independently. Vikram Sarabhai having identified a role and importance to the technologies. ISRO maintained the one of largest telecommunication satellites INSAT and remote sensing satellites IRS. The achievement of ISRO is the successfully developed the indigenous cradle-gazing engine. Mangalyaan entered the red planet on September 24, 2014, and 666 km journey from the Earth over the 10 months. And launch vehicle navigation satellites using a polar satellites launch vehicle PSLV from Sriharikota. On 11, 2015, Indian scientists were successfully launched 5 British satellites on orbits from Sriharikota. On April 28, 2016, polar satellites launch vehicle 1425 kg on orbit, and IRNSS, the 7 satellites is the Indian National Navigation Satellite System from Satish Dhawan Space Center. Thank you. Next part continued by Harshita.
Hello, I am Harshita. I am studying final BBA in this institution. There are total 5 launching vehicles launched by ISRO. First one, SLV. Satellite Launching Vehicle or SLV was small lifted launching vehicle. It intended to reach 400 kilometers and carry up to 40 kg payloads. And second one, SSLV, Small Satellite Launching Vehicle. The Small Satellite Launching Vehicle are also the Small Lifted Launching Vehicle. It intended to carry up to 300 kg or 500 kg payloads. And third one, PSLV. PSLV stands for Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. The Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle are the Medium Lifted Launching Vehicle. And fourth one, GSL. GSLV stands for Geosynchronous Satellite Launching Vehicle. Geosynchronous Satellite Launching Vehicle are the most powerful launching vehicle. It intended to use satellite geostationary orbit. And last one, ASLV. ASLV stands for Augmented Satellite Launching Vehicle. Augmented Satellite Launching Vehicle are carrying up to 150 kg payloads lower Earth orbits. Thank you. Over to Megha.
Give the brief introduction about Chandrayaan 1 by Rachana.
Hello everyone, myself Rachana Singh. I am currently studying in second year BBA in this institution. I am here to talk about Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan mission was launched by Indian Space Research Organization, and it was India's first attempt to land on the moon. It was launched on 22nd October 2008 by using the modified version of PSLV-C11, which means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle 4LM11 from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota of Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan 1 was ISRO's first exploratory mission to the moon. It was designed to orbit the moon, and the moon impact probe was separated from the moon orbiting Chandrayaan 1. With this mission, ISRO became the 5th national space agency to land on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan 1 was operated for 312 days, as opposed to that intended 2 years. But this mission achieved 95% of its planned objectives. The main objectives of Chandrayaan 1 are to find out the possibility of water and the elements of matter on the moon, and also to study about the evolution of solar system. And the achievements and findings of Chandrayaan 1 are, they confirmed that there is a presence of lunar water and the presence of hematite at the lunar core, and also confirmed that the surface of the moon is known to have iron-rich rocks. Chandrayaan 1 was partially failed because the star tracking system was overheated and malfunctioned due to the radiations from the sun. The total expenses made for this Chandrayaan-1 is about 386 crore and the weight is 1380 kg. Thank you. Over to Megha.
Now give the brief introduction about Chandrayaan-2 by Dhatri Gokhale.
Hello, I am Bhatri Gokhale. I am currently studying in final year BBA in this institution. Chandrayaan-2, it is the India's first lander machine to send orbiter, lander and rover to the moon. Here, the lander and rover will separate from the orbiter while it lands on the moon's surface. And the orbiter is mapping the moon's topography and investigating the surface mineralogy and elements, studying the exosphere and identifying the signatures of water ice. And lander. ISRO has named module as Vikram after Vikram Sarabhai, the pioneer of Indian space program. And rover. ISRO has named rover as a Pragyan, meaning wisdom. The main objective of Chandrayaan-2 is to trace the location and abundance of lunar water on the moon's surface. And the Chandrayaan-2 mission was mainly focused on the south polar region of the moon, which was completely unexplored by any space agency before. Chandrayaan-2 was launched from the Satish Dhawan space on July 22, 2019 by GSLV Mark III. Thank you. Over to Megha.
Now give the brief introduction about Chandrayaan-3 by Sanjana.
Hello, I am Sanjana MS. I am studying in first BBA. Now I am here to explain about Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third lunar mission, launched on 14 July 2023, successfully landing on the lunar surface on August 23, 2023, within its intended landing site, later named as Shiv Shakti Point by India. The main objectives of Chandrayaan-3 are to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, and also to conduct on-site scientific experiments. Chandrayaan-3 is launched by GSLV Mark III from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. The total expense of Chandrayaan-3 is 600 crore and its weight is 3,900 kilograms. Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft is composite of 3 modules, a propulsion module, an indigenous lander module Vikram, and a rover Pragyan. India's Chandrayaan-3 is world's first mission to successfully land on the south pole of the lunar surface. Thank you. Over to Megha.
This is GSLV Mark III launching vehicle. The main purpose of this vehicle is to carry the spacecraft into orbit. These two are called as boosters and this is payload. It carries lander, rover and propulsion module. Now our team try to represent a quick glimpse of Chandrayaan-3's liftoff initiative.
Date: the 14th of July 2023, time 2:35 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time at Sriharikota.
minus 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 5 seconds.
Lift-off normal.
Here
tracking.
we have a majestic liftoff of LBM-3 M4 rocket carrying India's prestigious Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft.
P2 tracking.
प्रज्वलन और सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन LBM-3 M4 रॉकेट का।
After 41 days later. Date: the 23rd of August 2023, time 6:03 p.m. at Shiv Shakti Point.
We can see the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is here to encourage us, and he is critically looking at the visuals.
जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि हम लैंडर मॉड्यूल
People are applauding. Let us all wait to hear from the Secretary Department of Space and Chairman ISRO, Shri S. Somnath.
Now Vikram Lander successfully soft landed on the lunar surface. After that, it will wait for a bit to let the lunar dust settle to prevent the rover from getting stuck in the dust. It is Ramba. it is deployed. The purpose of this rumble is used to measure the plasma density near surface, and it is just Chandra surface thermometer experiment used to measure the thermal conductivity near landing site. And it is ELSA, instrument for lunar seismic activity, used to measure the seismicity around the landing site. Lander has 4 thrusters. We can also call them as engines, which will give a upper thrust so that land softly. Now scientists will observe all the data received from the Vikram Lander and confirm that current environment is safe for Pragyan. Now initialize the next important procedure. The door under the Vikram Lander will open. This is a small mobile vehicle called Rover Pragyan, used to conduct on-site experiments on the lunar surface. Now, the Pragyan Rover will be released from the Vikram Lander and will begin its journey to exploring to the lunar surface. The rover successfully explored to the lunar surface. Now solar panel is deployed, used for recharging the battery using solar energy. Furthermore, it will also moving in the moon surface to measure its thermal conductivity, take pictures, and it is also going to map the lunar surface. This rover will move around the landing area for about 14 Earth days, which is equal to 1 lunar day of sunlight. Apex alpha particle X-ray spectrometer used to determine the element components of the soil and rocks around the landing site, such as magnesium, potassium, aluminium, silicon, calcium, titanium, and iron. And this is LITS, laser-induced breakdown spectroscope, used to determine the chemical composition and further enhance understandings of the lunar surface. It's capable to work both manually as well as autonomously. Now I switch to autonomous mode. In the autonomous mode, no need to manual commands. It will work autonomously. It will find the safe position for its work and it is move itself in the lunar surface. both rover and lander fed the data in pictorial format and transmit the data in the electromagnetic waves to the receiver in the propulsion module, which will circulate in the moon and it further transmits to the earth. Thank you.